And once again, this is what it should sound like after the injectors when you go to crank it. Beautiful. Okay, that's what it sounds like, right? And the only reason it sounded like it was under load is because straight away it went into reverse to get reversed out, so we don't fill the workshop with diesel fumes and kill ourselves any sooner than we need to. And then of course then it popped into neutral, and guess what's happening now? A BFE job. How about that, eh? Out in the sunshine. What a beautiful day it is out here today. Anyway guys, just to help you, that's what it should sound like. That's around about how long it takes to start. That's what a reasonable battery sounds like. I've heard better batteries, I've heard worse, but that's I'll give that a 6 out of 10. So that's a bit of a free battery test. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps you. Catch you later. See ya.